Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, and this beautiful project is designed here. And this is a small project, official T glass. This is a T glass, a steel T glass is designed here, and all process is learn here one by one. All a step to a step is learn here. And this is a steel T glass is design here, and this is a beautiful and a small and beautiful design is looking perfect, and all method and how to easily drawing this body and how to easily drawing this perfect steel glass, and a step to a step all design process is learn here. Okay, and this is a multi-section view, and use a isometric view. Okay, and this is isometric view, and this is a perfect body is looking perfect, and back side is also looking perfect, and this body is a steel. Okay, this is inward direct inward, and all is looking perfect. Okay, let's start here. All process is design here. Okay, and click okay. And okay, at first this body is designed here, and click a mechanical design and use a generative sheet metal design, and a part is drawing here, and click a XY plane and position a sketch is okay, and swap and reverse vertical direction is drawing here. Okay, click a circle is a this body, and mention any dimension is a diameter is 150. Okay, 150 is correct. This circle diameter is 150 is correct, and exit. Okay, and at first click this button set metal parameters, because all command is not activated, and at first click this set metal parameters, then all command is activated. Okay, and click here this set metal parameters, and this value is setting here, and thickness is 1 millimeter, and the default bend radius is 4 millimeter. Is all is correct. Okay, looking perfect, and okay, wall at first click a wall is a click this, and direction is inward, click okay. Okay, this is a sheet is created here. Okay, and all plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this sheet is created here, and this thickness is a 1 millimeter is okay. This is a perfect. Okay, click this face, and click a position a sketch, and swap and vertical reverse direction, click okay. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and click this is a hide, and right click, and this is a show. This line is showing here, and use this offset command is anywhere, click here, and this is a perfect. This line is create here, and mention any dimension is a minus. Okay, minus. Okay, minus 8 is correct. Okay, minus 7.2 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and click exit. Okay, okay, and click this surface stamp, click here. Okay, and angle is 80 degree. Okay, and click this line. Okay, direction is inward direction, and height is this is a height is 130. Okay, preview is showing here, and this is a first radius is 2.3 and second radius is also 2.4 is better. Okay, preview is showing here. This is a click. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this is a okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect, and some use a boundary is apply here, and this is a this body is, and again this is a this, and again select a command is a teardrop, and this command is very useful and helpful, and boundary is okay 0.5 and again 0.5 is correct, and this is a this boundary is click here. Okay, at first okay, at first this line is a hide. Okay, and again this teardrop is used here, and 0.5 millimeter, and length and radius is 0.5 millimeter, and this is a correct. This boundary is select here and click okay. This is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, looking so nice, and use a material is apply here, and shading with material. Okay, this is a correct, and material is apply here is steel is correct. Okay, and right click and property is click here, and this reflectivity is very high, and click a rod. A steel is looking so perfect. This body is a correct. This is a steel. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and this is a steel glass. This glass is a use a tea and coffee, and this is a very useful. This glass is very useful. Okay, okay, and isometric view is also drawing here. Okay, and multi view is also drawing here. This is a looking perfect, and zoom. Okay, this is the back side is looking perfect. Okay, okay, this is a correct. Zoom out. Okay, this is a body is a looking perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a all is correct. Okay, guys, all process is learn here one by one step. All a step is clearly learn here, and guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.